Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your country or location on Indeed. This is especially useful if you're planning to relocate for work or if you want to explore job opportunities in a different region. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Indeed.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to your profile settings where you can make all the necessary changes to your location information. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon there, usually represented by a small circular avatar or your initials. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options that let you manage different aspects of your Indeed profile. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where Indeed stores all your professional information, including your resume details, work history, and location preferences. This is the hub where you can edit everything that employers see when they view your profile. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see your sample details displayed at the top of the screen. This section typically shows a summary of your basic information like your name, headline, and current location. To access the full details and make changes, click the right arrow to view it. This expands your profile information and allows you to see all the fields you can edit. Now, scroll down through your profile until you locate the location section. This is where Indeed stores your current address information, which is used to match you with relevant job opportunities in your area. The platform uses this data to show you jobs that are geographically suitable and to help employers filter candidates by location. In the location section, look for the country field. You'll see a change button next to it. Click on Change to open up the location editor. This will allow you to select a different country from the available options. Take your time browsing through the list and choose the country where you're planning to work or search for jobs. After selecting your new country, you'll need to provide more specific location details. In the fields that appear, input your street address, followed by your city and state. Make sure to enter accurate information as this helps employers understand your exact location. Next, input your postal code to complete your address details. This information is crucial for location-based job matching. Once you've filled in all the required fields, look at the bottom of the location editor. You'll see a Save button there. Click on Save to confirm and apply your changes. Indeed will now update your profile with your new location information, and you'll start seeing job recommendations based on your updated address. And that's it! You've successfully changed your country or location on Indeed, and your profile is now set up to show you relevant opportunities in your new area. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.